My husband's family. In this video, I want to talk to us about a simple little word, which is morphine, a word that often triggers fear, confusion, and guilt for families. You see, but what if I told you that morphine isn't the enemy? It is actually one of the greatest tools that we have to bring peace, not harm, at the end of life. For many families, morphine sounds like the last step. They think once they give morphine, that means the end is close by. And that belief creates unnecessary fear. But the truth is that morphine does not cause death. It relieves suffering. It helps your loved ones to breathe easier, to rest deeper, and to experience comfort instead of struggle. My husband's family know that morphine equals comfort, not death. How do you ask? How exactly does morphine works? Well, I'm glad that you asked. You see, morphine works by calming the body's pain receptors and at the same time relaxing the breathing muscles. Get that? Now, when someone is at the end of life, my husband's family, shortness of breath and pain can causes them to panic and cause restlessness. Morphine gently eases that distress, like taking the weight off of their chest. It's not speeding up the process, you see. It is allowing peace to enter naturally. Now, as a hospice nurse, okay, I myself and my colleagues, as hospice nurses, we are trained to give precise, safe doses, okay, in tiny amounts that will bring comfort without harm. This is about quality of life, not quantity, about your dignity, not despair. When you see your loved ones finally relax, when the tension leaves their face, and when they can whisper, "I feel better now, thank you." That is the medicine giving life back to their final days. Comfort care isn't giving up, it is giving love in its purest form. You see, my husband's family? For many people, for many of us, faith plays a role, a crucial part in how we see end of life care. Remember this: God doesn't want his children to suffer. Morphine is one of the ways that we help to honor that truth by easing pain with compassion and also with grace. So, my husband's family, to every family who is currently afraid of morphine, I want you to remember this: morphine is not the enemy, it is peace in a syringe. It's a tool that helps us to love better and to let go gently. Morphine, have no fear. Now, my husband's family, if this video has touched you, I want you to please subscribe for more hospice education and family comfort tips. And follow me. I am on TikTok. I am on Instagram, okay? I also have a guide. I have a guide that I want you to have. Be part of my mailing list, my beautiful people, my husband's family. And also, I have an Amazon list of products that you could buy that will make your loved ones comfortable. And of course, be sure to subscribe, follow me. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.